Good afternoon, everybody. We are here live in Eureka once again at the county courthouse, where community members are gathering on International Women's Day for a march and a rally. I'm actually not sure if there's going to be a march, but we'll find out. So here we go. We're going to cross the street pretty soon. As we approach this morning, right before noon, it does look like a large crowd. Over 100 people is my estimate at this point. Here we go. Keep going. All right. Okay, I already see 2 protest pups. There she is, making her debut.
No, it's not.
It's not her first rodeo then? Okay. Okay.
Well, that's what it is.
So this does go from about noon to 2 p.m. So if people wanted to come down and join the fun, there's plenty of time to get here. Hi, Redheaded Blackbelt. We're live. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you for reading. And thank you for coming out today. It's a good turnout. Thank you. Okay, I'm overwhelmed by the signs. Okay, I'm gonna. Have you had a favorite so far today?
There's a Wonder Woman one. Let's see. That's what's right there. Woman's Place is leading the revolution.
That's a good one. There we go.
Abolish ICE, of course.
Gonna make it closer to the front there.
Different women, not witches.
Also got a lot of. Have a good day. I'll circle back. Okay, here we go.
And everyone wants to pick a certain thing out.
Rosemary!
Here we go.
That's unfortunate.
Hi. I'm well. How are you? Good, good. It does pretty well. Get above the heads, you know? Here we go. Stars is good.
I want to get up a Zoom side. Joe and really wish. I have to trust his. I was looking for you. Hi.
I like the one.
Very clever.
That's why we also. Can I get you?
Hi. Looks good. Okay, thank you.
Bernie just lost the whole play.
So I do believe we've got the Raging Grannies up here. How are you doing? I'm well. We've got a good turnout.
Yeah, sure. It's a beautiful day, and so many people came out to make statements about how messed up things are right now.
Have you guys performed already?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to call the traffic.
Yeah. There's some good honking.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Lots of people here, guys. Sorry. Oh, go ahead. Hi. There we go. Let's see it. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
You're welcome. Don't worry, they're coming to them next. Sneaking around. Sneaking around.
Hi, cheese.
But now, if you're going to do it, you're going to get
There's so many people, I mean, I guess they do invite retirees, but no one
And we're trying to follow the law against somebody that doesn't want to follow the rules. So at some point, something's got to break, something's got to give.
Yes. Yes. I can tell you worked on this one. Thank you for showing. Hi.
Who are you here with?
Redheaded Blackbelt. Thank
Did
you.
you get the back of that lady with the pink shirt?
Oh, I will. Thank you.
It's a really good one.
Okay. I'm following. Okay, wait.
I told her she's trying to find me, and I told her, here we are.
Well, I told my friend I
Not a king! I just told her that.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
All right, so Linsky's to go. Yeah.
The praying mantis got me. I really. Yeah. Off with his head.
Celebrating Mother Nature and how she has a way of
Hey.
It's funny how you see
Okay, here we go. Walking the front line.
Let me get up.
I'm gonna.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Let's see.
Here, Claire. Claire. Get up here. Let me get a picture of you.
I'm gonna sneak in front of you guys here. That's right, we do. We do.
I know. I'm sorry, did I hit you again?
Hi. I am worried about you.
Be careful on the road there.
You remember these drivers don't cycle, so now we're
Get back in the safe zone here. Fact.
Yeah, they're all over the house. I love that. I'm sorry. How many times have you been?
Hi. How are you doing? Good to see you. Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm great. This
Good.
is my birthday, and I was not spending any other way than being with all these wonderful people and resisting and showing how we care, the people care. That's why we're here. That's why I'm 72 years old today.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. And this is great. This is where I want to be on my birthday with the sun shining.
Bubbles even. Yeah.
And people of America rising up and saying, no, we don't want this. We want change. We want democracy. And it's a beautiful thing.
Thank you for sharing. Okay.
Okay.
I was guessing based on the yardstick. Inch by inch, yard by yard, yes. Thank you.
Stretch, everybody.
Let's see. Oh boy. Thank you. There we go.
That's what we need.
That would totally work.
Like the guy that jumped on stage with Bob Dylan, soy bomb. Get out the soy bomb dance.
Oh, hello. Hi. Hi, sweetness. Hello. You're so good. Yes, you are. Hi. Oh, my goodness. So cute. So cute. Okay. So I'm going to estimate at least 10 protest pups today. That might be a record.
What a hot.
Not so hot.
I know, what a mess.
It went kind of hot.
Thank you. I'm doing okay.
Thanks for being here and documenting all this.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Of course, absolutely.
Oh, there we go. Let me get it on you. Do you have any thoughts to share with the public? I know everybody is conflicted right now.
I wrote some words. Can I read it?
Oh, absolutely. Please do.
All right. I dream of a day when we no longer need an International Women's Day, or Black History Month, or Pride Month, or Earth Day, or anything else that needs to be set apart because of the historic foundation of marginalization, whitewashing, and oppression. I dream of a day when all humans begin to intentionally see the intrinsic value in all humans and that the earth is worth protecting. I dream of a day when the way we see other people's differences are no longer tainted by our prideful and privileged lens. A day when we rejoice in our differences. I dream of a day when we can begin to see the Imago Dei, the image of God in all people, and to begin to obey God's first and second command, to care for children and care for this earth. I dream of a day when the only thing we have left to celebrate and set apart is National Donut Day. May it be so.
I'm down with National Donut Day. I'm going to say that's a plus for everybody. Thank you for that. It's nice to see you, Pastor Bethany. Okay. Oh, the protest pubs have really got my heart today.
There's so many of them.
Yes.
So sweet.
I'm thinking that's 12 now. I'm taking a tally. Thank you. Hi guys, Redheaded Blackbelt. Thank you. Thank you for that.
I kept smiling. I tell you so.
I'm just so in the zone. I barely know what's in front of me until I'm right there. So yeah.
It's huge. It is.
It's really big. Let me elevate. There we go.
With someone you know.
I thought so. I'm like, it's big enough that I can't find people I know.
Yeah.
You're gonna hold it.
It's got to walk.
They're down there.
It's just common me.
Oh, okay. Where? Okay. All right. Get your sign. Thank you.
I thought it was going to be a march, not a standstill.
Right. I believe it did say March. Okay. Woo!
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm live. Okay, wait. Let me turn it this way. There. See, we're live. We've got, it's only 50 people. What? Oh. See? 56 people. Watch this. Okay, everybody, we've located Mrs. Anderson, the famous math teacher of Southern Humboldt. Very good, very good. Gotcha. No. I have not. Okay, I better get back to the mom. People don't catch on what's happening here. Hold on. I stand in. Hi. Oh, hi. Good, good. Good to see you. That's my mom.
Teacher, did she teach like that?
Yeah, math.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I know, it's the only reason that I passed math.
Awesome.
Good to see you.
Get some walking in. And
Thank you. I like your shirt. Okay, I'm very impressed with the signs today.
I know.
I really am. People have put some artistry.
Are good at this kind of thing. And we know that what's going on is going on.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's see. How should I go back?
So one good thing is that
So as you can see, everybody, the protest here and the rally extends all the way down the block to the jail entrance here. There's an upper deck there, people in the nosebleeds, but still having a good time. Let's see. Here we go.
we're going to do our witches dance.
Oh, yes. Thank you for the heads up. We love a good witches dance. Let's see what that is. Okay, I see a cauldron. There's a few brooms. We're waiting to see what the witches dance looks like. Behold the witches dance.
Well, I'm gonna try and cross the street.
I don't know if you can hear it, but there is music for this. And there you have it. That was the witches dance.
Oh, did ya?
Okay, I think we'll do one more walk across the front line of the curb here. The little pup was joining in, howling along with the chants and woos.
Maybe I should change it.
Did you see the article?
Thank you.
Holy shit! What is wrong with you? Fuck off! Jeez, you're covering the whole fucking road.
That's right.
You are very good at picking paths. You're doing great.
Yes, I do. I'm trying to fucking get there, but you guys are in the way. I'm trying, you fucking bitch. Are you even a bitch? Who are you? You look like a man with titties. Yeah, I'm upset about you fucking being in the way.
Next time, take a different route. Use your eyes. Apparently, it's not your strong suit.
You know, I've been focusing on this
Hi, how are you?
Oh, it's still on the way here.
Oh man, that's a nasty one. You gotta put some hydrogen peroxide or neosporin or something. I'm doing good. Good.
That right-wing guy's here. The Bruno Wayne guy.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, you see that.
Oh boy.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Let me see. Yeah,
He's probably going to cut some great content with a bunch of libs, so.
that's right. That's right. So, oh, I see Lady Liberty over here. Let me get closer. Have you guys had any negative passers-by, like in traffic?
Yeah, we've had
A couple? Right, okay.
But
Yeah.
almost everybody else is either looking straight forward or cheering
Cheer.
and honking.
Okay. Okay. Like that.
That's why we live here.
Thank you for that.
I don't want to say it loud.
Right, yeah. if you say it too loud, it'll conjure.
I know. Like Voldemort.
Protesters do have the right of, or pedestrians have the right of way in the crosswalk at the moment. Holding space there in the crosswalk. The crosswalk light was on. I just want to say. Good grief.
No, I do understand. I'm not stupid.
Here we go. Thanks.
Oh, and my mom came.
Oh, say thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
God, guys. Good job.
Is she here?
Trump sandwich. Okay.
And a small pickle. I love that part. You know it's right. We know.
Thank you for coming out, ladies. Okay. Okay.
I like the pickle.
They won't give it up, you know? Yeah, it's wrong, but it's our democracy.
Yeah.
Here we go.